in Mapsa right now. So I'm come to watch this car. It's become dirty. So I'm come to this place. I don't know the name. Some people on the way told me. I think some premium car ke. This is a place here. So it's all dirty. The car. I'm out. I need a body wash actually. So we'll get that, and then let's go from there. I just came to do some work, dad's work in Mapsa. So it's pending, so I thought I'll come and watch the car meanwhile. I had to waste time, yeah. So yes. So guys, the car is here for the wash. Quite dirty. So let's wash it up. So let's wash the car, and then after that we'll head back to my work. So meanwhile, letting wash the car. And I'll show you the place around. Nice place. I think they do the polishing and the coat, PPF and all. I think they do all of that stuff. So this is the place. Nicely done. I like how it's looking around. This is the whole nice coconut and all. And the garden is top class, number one. So guys, the weather in Goa is very hot and I'm boiling outside here. It's almost like 12:30 and I don't know, it's like so damn hot. That's why I came to give my baby a bath to let her cool down. I bought her from Margao to Mapsa, right? So she's also quite heated up. So let her get a wash. Yeah. So let her cool down also. And let her chill. So it's washed guys, so she's gonna take it now to get it wiped. The lady is driving my car. Hope she takes it. And that's how it is. So guys, the car is washed. Exterior is done well. Sorry, excuse this. This is my dad did. It's washed. Looks good as new. So one work is done here. So now I'm heading back over there. So guys, The car is washed. Now I'm leaving from here, so I wanted to show you the place where it is. It is here, Good Shine, Elena, I think. Elena, what it is, I don't know. So yeah, it's on the way. From the Mapsa junction, you have to come straight towards the north. I'll tell you the location later. Wait some time. I need to remove this car out from here. There's a lot of traffic jam. So guys, I forgot to tell you that show you guys that the car is washed. It looks brand new and sexy. That's how it's looking.